Hi and welcome to Glyzashaven. So what I'm going to share with you guys is a traditional recipe of Filipino. It's a Bibingka Galapong. Without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Glyzashaven. We add in 2 medium eggs, and we add in 1/4 cup of melted butter. You may use margarine, whatever is available in your area. And the next one, we are going to put our 3/4 cup sugar, white sugar. So this recipe is easy to make, and I'm sure everybody in your family will enjoy it. And next, we got 2 cups of coconut cream. I used the fresh coconut cream from the wet market. So we just need to mix it all together. If you're going to use this for business, that's a very good idea for you guys. So the next step is 1 1/2 cup of glutinous rice flour. And then we got 1/4, no, that's incorrect, 1/2 cup of rice flour. And then we got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And the next would be 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There we have it. Just mix it all together until everything is well combined. If you want to intensify the color of yellow, you can add a yellow food coloring, but I wanted the natural one, so this would be okay. We're going to bake this, by the way. And then we are adding our 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, or you may use fresh milk, whatever is available in your pantry or in your kitchen. So let's mix it. I'm going to show you what the butter should look like. Alright, so this is the perfect butter of the Bibingka Galapong that we are going to use for this recipe. Have you tried making this? And what is your preference when making bibingka? Let me ask you. Please leave a comment so I would know. And then we pour it to, I have prepared here a lyanera, but the banana leaf has been burned to the fire. It's been darang, as you call it in the Filipino, darang in the fire. So it can be pliable or it can be bendable when you had it the shape. So at this point, we are going to preheat our oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, we need to top or add our toppings for our Bibingka Galapong, which is the cheese, and we got some salted egg or itlog na maalat. And we bake this for 30 minutes after preheating the oven for 10 minutes. And once after 30 minutes, serve it with love and happiness. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so you will be updated and you'll be notified whenever I have new uploads. We have have any comments or any suggestions for me to try for the next video, please leave it in a comment. Here's my recipe. I'm sharing with you all, and I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun. Bye for now. Thank you for watching and enjoy. God bless us all.